that so that we can have a clean question which has not been done before. Also save it. Now let's do the first one. We have been told undertake the following analysis of trend in the key financial statement component. Number one, we have been told using the correctively index match nested function to fill in the detail in the below data from the output in A1 above in this one. So they need using a correctly index and match nested function to fill in the detail in the following array from the output. Oh, I think you should not delete that one because they need to fill this one. So they needed to fill for us this one. That one was there because they need us to fill this one. So we have been told to fill in the revenue, the cost of sales, and operating expenses. Even in this case, they need us to fill in this component. So yeah, I think now you should delete so that you remain with only this one. So they need us to fill in using the nested function and the index and match. Tulisema laptop imeang, but you are still in the meeting. So prepare the laptop as we continue doing. So I hope by the time nimeshamaliza kufanya, the laptop will be okay. So tukisema the index and match, first you need to know how to use the index. How to use the index. And then kuna match function. We have the match function. That's why it's calling nested function. Tulisema the nested function, if you remember, tulisema nested function is when you combine more than one Excel formula, more than one Excel formula. We call it the nested function. So you remember that one when we were doing if or and. Yeah. So tukasema nested function is where you combine more than one data. So now we will combining the index and match in this case for us to fill in this information. We can use the VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or hex lookup, which we have done it before, but this person specifically wanted us to use the index and match. So what you will do first, you will rename this component. You can rename this component here. Unaweza select hapa, we say this one. You can't, you see, if you select this one and then you go here in the name box, image it A12. So we can rename it to say revenue. We can say revenue / items, revenue items, or not a revenue item, but let's say P&L item. Yes, just write PL items. That represent the P&L items. Or can we put this character ant? Will it be able to pick P&L item? Enter. So no, so which means can just say PL items. So I hope you are following my procedure. Items. And then also we can rename this one. You just select that and then rename it as PL. Just need to say PL. That slash, you say years. So it will be very easy for you to use that one. Enter. So we have renamed this one. If you click that one, you can see PL. If you can see that one, you can see that one. And then this one, we can rename this one. We say data. So say PL, can call it PL data, PL data, enter. So if I come and select this one, I can see it is PL data. If I select this one, I can see it is PL years. This one, it is PL item. So I can now easily work with my index and match to fill in this information. First, do we have that one, the cost of sales, the operating expense. So if you check here, yes, we have the revenue, the cost of sales, and operating expense. So it will be very easy for me now. What I just need to come here and say equals index, it will ask me the array. So my array for this index is my array is this data. That is my array. You can just write PL because tulikuwa tumeandika, but I don't think if they will pick it should be this specific, but sisi tumeiweka mpaka huko juu. Let's try PL items. It will select that one, comma, you write the match inside that. The match, it will ask you the lookup value. So our lookup value is this revenue, comma, the lookup array, we are looking it from the lookup array, we are looking it from the data. Tulikuwa tumesema PL data, and that comma, exact or fault, enter, accept. You can see it's not available. So which mean we have to change these ones to PL data. This one should be PL data, and then change these ones to PL item. That one, enter. So the reason why is because you can see it is not matching. This one is picked, so we'll have to rename this one. We can say that was a PL. You can say this PL, and then to say item, you can just call it item 2, because it will be consistent with the other one. So now you can try to change this one. Use PL2, which is that one. Enter. Hey, why is it that we are still getting the hash? No, this one we'll have to introduce another index match. Remember, this is just one. Now we need for 2020, 2021. So we will introduce another index. So after comma, we just need to write another match. And then to the lookup value now, it will be this one, comma. We are looking it from, that is, it was PL years. And then comma, can put exact, close the bracket, enter. Yeah, so you can see we are getting it. Very nice, very nice. So once you have done that, you don't need to stress yourself. What you only need to do is to fix this one and fix this one. You remember what we said about F4, the function of F4 in your keyboard. The function of F4 in your keyboard. The function of F4 in your keyboard. You say the function of your F4 in your keyboard is to fix the reference. So we will fix the revenue, which is A6. We want it so that if we copy, like for example, if I copy this to the other side, you can see I'm getting not available. The reason is my lookup formula has come this. This one is correct. This one is correct. This one is correct. But what about again, if I drag it down, you can see. No, now it is picking 500 instead of 2020. So that's why you need to know how to do the reference here. So you will come here and pick this, say F8. Make sure it is starting that dollar. When you come to this, make sure it is in the middle. That way, enter. So if I do that, if I drag my formula, it will pick, okay? If I drag downward, it will pick. So that's very easy. That's very easy. So what I wanted to now, guys, is to